This is the Mountfield SP535HWV. This is a 53cm cutting width machine. This is fitted with the larger 190cc overhead cam engine from Honda. It's a four-stroke Honda engine, just uses unleaded fuel and oil in the sump. So this is a 4-in-1 machine. At the moment it's set up as a rear collecting machine, but what it can also do is rear discharge the grass, side discharge the grass and mulch the grass as well. So 4 different things. This machine has a really nice smooth height of cut adjustment just by putting your left hand on the handle here and pressing the yellow trigger with your thumb. It drops down and it goes from 25mm all the way up to 80mm, and that's done on 5 different settings. This machine is also fitted with a snap hose lock connection. So you just literally snap on the hose, turn on the tap, start up the engine, and the water will be splashed around underneath the deck, helping you to maintain the machine. So this machine is fitted with a variable speed. The variable speed control is at on the top of the handlebars, and it just helps you to speed up or slow down across the ground. So if you've got longer runs, you make the machine go quicker, and if you've got smaller, more intricate bits to do, you can slow the machine down so it's not going too quickly for you. As you can see, this machine's fitted with high wheels or larger rear wheels to help you cope with the undulations in the ground. Also, if I just pop him onto his side, you can see that this is also fitted with a front anti-scalp plate. So that helps you to not scalp out on the ground if you're cutting on the lower settings. It's also got fins so that the air can be pushed through underneath the machine, and it helps with the collection of the grass. And we also have this guard under here, which is finned because it sucks the air from underneath the engine and again pushes through the grass box so that you can collect the grass better.
For peace of mind, this machine, subject to annual servicing, has a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, and as such is supported by our Service Link helpline and 600 Service Link approved dealers across the UK and Ireland, who will be happy to carry out any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance required.